you are given 4 spheres so with distinct masses, 101, 102, 103, 105, and you have access to digital scale. Using only 2 weighings determine the mass of each sphere. So you have probably that like 4 identical spheres with distinct masses, but you don't know which one is which, and you try to figure out mass of each of them. You can use only 2 weighings. So if you weight it like this, for example, you do the weighing of this and it says like, it shows you 102, you know this, but you don't know these 3, right? For example, if you try to weigh, and then as a second step, you try to weigh this, and then it gives you like, say, 208. That means, so 103 and 105. So you don't know which one is 103, 105, but you can know that this is 101, right? Because that's the only thing that's left. You still don't know the weights of these two, right? So you need to do some kind, for example, if you try to weighing of like as a first step. As a first step, if you try to weigh 3 of them, let's say these 3, so that gives you like, say, 306, and then you can say that this is 105, but you still need to figure out the weights of these 3 in one weighing, and it's kind of, yeah, one weighing is not probably enough. So it's not reasonable to do all of them at the same time, put all of them into the scale, because you already know, so we know that what would that give, like that would be like 411, right? So probably you should do like weighing by 2 or 1. So like, what happens if you do weighing of these 2? Let's say that gives you 303. So then it means like you have here 101 and 102 in the first batch, and the second batch is 103 and 105, right? Now you have to figure out which one is which. So that's another trick. So what would be your next step? What would be your next step? So you need to do only 2 weighings and then figure out the weights of exact weights of each 4 of them. That's little. If you do a little bit, so like if you do like work out a little bit, couple cases, you can easily figure this out. Probably I'll just leave the problem here and then ask you to write your solutions in the comments. Yeah, if there is a correct approach or correct solution that could find the weight of each sphere in 2 weighings, I'll just pin that comment. You can see that from comments. But this is a very a kind of optimization problem where you can do like where you need to do less work and then extract more information. And depending on your strategy, you can sometimes extract more information, sometimes less information.